afternoon or good evening. How's everyone in YouTube doing? Chilly right now. It's maybe somewhere around the 50s, 45 degrees. Still, we're having a slight breeze from the north. Still, although it's cool, it won't damage the onions anymore. Something like that is not something that will be damaging, but it's enough for people not to come and work today. Anyways, we're here at Lago Vista at the Pecos Ranch or Pecos Farms. This particular field right now, we're getting it ready. This more than likely is going to be carrots. If it's not carrots, it's going to be tomatoes. But I gotta check with the ranch manager to see what's going to happen. As we can see, pretty much we got it pretty much cultivated already. It's pretty lined up with rows. We've got plants already coming in. It looks more than likely it's probably going to be carrots, the way it's formed. It's a beautiful day, even though it's kind of chilly. I'm sure you're going to be able to hear my voice fine. There isn't any too much of a wind hitting us at the moment. We're gonna come back to the back here real quick. I'm gonna pick up a bottle of water. I was been kind of thirsty since I left the house, and I'm gonna open up a bottle of water real quick and sugar it down. I didn't get any dinner. I'm gonna skip on the dinner, unless the main boss invites us to dinner, but I doubt it. Not today. Today's Thursday. Today's Thursday, April the 1st. April the 1st, which means that it's April Fool's Day, and this is not an April Fool's movie either, or video. As we come around towards the side, and we look over here across the field. We still have some field here, except this particular field right here. If you'll notice, where some of it is being grown. Okay, those are onions there. This particular empty side right here, we weren't able to grow anything here. Soil samples have shown that there's too much salt in the soil, which will prevent us from growing anything around this particular area. But it's just this particular area. It's like, I'm gonna say 200 acres more or less. Maybe 150 acres. 150 acres of field that's not made for growing purposes. The soil is kind of salted. The minerals in the soil are just not deemed for growing anything. I'll put this sticker right here where I can have freedom instead of holding up the mic. There ain't that much wind, so I'm not too worried about the wind knocking down the microphone, the camera. The camera is a Insta360 One X2, and if you know anything about cameras, you know that the camera lenses are very, very delicate. You got to treat the lenses better than you treat your wife. Typically saying, you got to be extra careful with the lenses. To replace the lenses are very, very expensive. Sometimes you got to take it all the way up to China. Sometimes it will come back in 6 months. You just never know. That's why the lenses always need to be taken care of. For you owners of cameras, you know what I'm talking about. You got to take extra care of those lenses. Anyway, that's just breaking it off topic. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's daily blog. We're still doing the onion, so want to thank you all for watching this show. Subscribe if you would like. Not like if I'm getting any money off of it. I enjoy doing this. I enjoy being on YouTube, and I'm gonna start adding music in there, but I need to get a good music company that's royalty free, that will not be so expensive. Storyblock, is, my opinion, is too expensive. Epic songs, epic music, some of that, they're kind of regular size, but I'm not a professional blogger like I've seen other bloggers, but I'm just like to record myself and record my experiences of my life, with hopefully with the intention of someday my great grandkids, can say, hey, that's Grandpa. So that's how Grandpa looked like, or that's how Grandpa was back then, or Grandpa this or Grandpa that. Just get a memory, store a memory away. We don't live forever, so let our memories pass on to the generations so that our grandkids can remember us. Anyways, y'all have a great day, and God bless everyone. Not just the United States, but everyone around the world.